Saturday morning, and we're here with Wiwi, one of my very close friends I picked up along the way because she's a trash. So today we are going to play a game.
Woo! Terbalik!
We just bought ourselves a basketball game for $10. If you want to see how we are in this game, or maybe just one of us, then please keep on watching.
Okay, let's go. Nikmat. Makin lepas weh.
But we're going to play basketball no matter what. Okay, siapa dapat first dulu menang. Okay, go.
Oh, I got one.
Score kah?
Yeah, score.
What?
In the court. Oh my god.
I thought you scored on mine.
You angkat, what the heck? That's not how you play it. Jangan tu. Okay, nantilah satu kita tembak. Siapa lagi jauh?
Because of the wind? Oh my gosh, I can't get it.
Oh!
The score is here.
I tak sengaja, serious. Wah, itu tu. Oh my god, you can see the rain. You nampak tak? Tu rain dia tengah turun. Wah, Masya Allah. Pak.
Itu tak masuk.
Oh my god, we are dumb.
Oh my god.
Are we dumb or what?
Yes, one.
I won tadi, say. Are
You
we
won.
seriously playing it like this?
Okay, one.
Okay, kita like this lah. Kita like. The bola dia pathetic, I swear.
How do you?
Oh, tu.
Okay, two. Nice. No, how about?
Cramp. Cramp. Actually, I'm the older one. Cramp.
Don't have the right.
Oh my god! I am so sorry.
You killed the sea.
I'm so sorry.
Should we swim?
No, we shouldn't.
Okay, champion.
Yes, thanks.
Prove it again.
Wiwi Brian.
Jangan dia dah tak ada duit dia.
Oh my god, tengok bola I. Okay, I need to wash my hands.
Sanitized.
Wait, we have to stop this video. Working.
It's so happy. Look at that. I cannot. We're just gonna go back like briefly how we met. We were actually in the same class in psychology diploma, and the way we became friends was that she came up to me and asked me if I was an actress. She legit asked me if I was an actress.
Inside the toilet. Yeah, because it was the first time we talked. Lepas tu macam, oh my god, she finally talked to me. So I'm going to sleep in the conversation there. I thought it was a good conversation starter. But she was damn shocked. She was like, kenapa budak ini? I tak boleh buka mata, I swear.
The rain is so heavy.
We got the rain, we got the sea, we got the grasses, we got the trees, we got the wind.
Here's mine.
I think they like
Not in the best condition.
Hi, Saka.
Here's the condition. You wish yourself. Stop! You're hurting me.
Okay, sorry.
Wait, are we supposed to wear mask? Can you wear mask?
Tapi ayah, look at my mask. There's air bertakung, guys.
So today we're going to do some mukbang. Oh, panas dah, sedap.
Sebab kita dah main hujan kan?
Sejuk. Alright, so we're going to eat something warm and cozy just to cool our heart up. And let's get right to it.
She has to stop.
Banyak kali tu pun I jatuh ais.